friend, please.
You really are cramping my
over here.
style.
I try mad me.
Good morning and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I did this quick little makeup look and I actually love how it turned out. It's so pretty. And I'm not wearing lashes. You guys know I'm a lashes girl. I do the individual clusters on myself just all the time, but I have been taking a break from them. And honestly, I just popped on a little bit of mascara this morning. I'm only wearing under eye concealer. I did my brow, a little bit of blush, and then I set with powder. And that's it. And it looks like a full face without actually being a full face. I love it. Anyways, Melissa and I are heading out to run some errands today. We might pop out and grab dinner as well. Maybe like a late lunch, early dinner before we come back in. I'm just gonna help her with a few little errands and work stuff. But I got up this morning, I got dressed, I put a cute little outfit together. We picked out a bag in the other video, which you should be seeing. That video will go up before you're seeing this vlog anyway, so, but you know me, I love a road trip. I love a long drive. Let's drive away and just disconnect and play music and talk and bond, and because we've been needing some bonding. We need to bond. We need to get closer with each other. We've been bickering and like nicking at and just like combative with each other this past week, and we had a really good conversation yesterday. And as married people, and if there's any married couples out here, please, I would love some advice. I'd love to know what you're doing to ensure that your marriage stays strong. How long have you been married? Melissa and I have been married for 3 years. A little over 3 years, now 3 years and 6 months. And honestly, we have more good days than bad days, but when the bad days are bad, when the bad days come up, they're really bad. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to really resolve our issues or resolve our disagreements. And I don't like to be confrontational with her. I don't like to be so impulsive and combative when it comes to her, because I end up feeling bad in the end, because there's certain things that I don't want to do, certain things that I don't want to I just don't want to come across a particular way when it comes to my wife. She has my best interest at heart. I have her best interest at heart. I love her to death. Like, I don't want us to ever get to a place where we cannot meet each other on the other side of an argument. So yesterday was a little tough, but we did get through it. We did talk through it, and it just showed me that I love her so much. One thing though with us, our arguments, it never passes a day. We don't keep arguing and holding on to things past a day. We try to deal with it. It starts today, it ends today. I don't want to take on issues, and that's because we try our best to see the other person's side, no matter how valid we feel like our feelings are. We do our best, we try our best to be selfless and step outside of how we're feeling, to kind of see where the other person's experiencing in that situation as well. Because you may say something that you don't even necessarily feel like should be offensive or should be hurtful, but it turns out that it is, and you never know how your partner is receiving something. You never know how your partner is actually understanding or comprehending what you're saying. So we really do try to ensure that, even though it's tough and even though it's sometimes it's super hard to be selfless, the goal in our relationship is to be selfless for each other. And I'm just very happy that we were able to get through that. So yeah, enough of my rant. Hey guys, just checking in. We look so cute today. I absolutely am obsessed with this dress, and I'll show you a little bit more of it when we go outside. We're about to go get some wine coolers or maybe like some drinks. We're going to a little backyard pool party, chill sesh at one of Melissa's friends' house.
Get some drinks for the party. I'm gonna rip my lip gloss. Please don't remind me that I need to replace your lip gloss one more time.
Because you do. Look at it. My Fenty lip gloss is out and she's playing games.
You have too much application layers. That's
Can I go to Sephora tomorrow? Yes, we're gonna Sephora tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. I'm just tired of looking like a naked mold rat. I'm tired of looking just dull and, you know, just not giving. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna straighten my hair. I'm also gonna do my lashes. We're gonna do a little get ready with me for a little pick me up. I might use today as a content day because I haven't posted on my timeline in maybe an entire week. I actually posted on TikTok, so if you have seen that TikTok video, hey girl. So to everyone that liked, to everyone that watched, to everyone that commented, I really appreciate you. But you know what, the thing about this field of content creation and just having a life on social media, just having yourself out there, you have to be your own motivator. I have to be the one that, you know, motivates me, get myself up. It has to be, you know, it's honestly 80% self-motivation. Yes, we do need validation from other people, but if content creators, especially smaller creators like myself, relied on validation from the outside world, we wouldn't keep going. You have to want to do it. You have to motivate yourself every day to get up and be present and show up not only for yourself but also for your future audience. So that's what we're doing today. We're showing up for ourselves. I'm gonna do my lashes because whenever my lashes are done, I just feel like, you know, I wake up like this. I just wake up like a bad bitch. Okay, guys, I'm sure you can hear the ruckus outside, but this is New York. What can we do? But these are my lashes, how they turned out. I think they turned out so pretty, nice and wispy and just simple, and you know, not too much, just giving just a little something. Oh, quickly before I go, if you are interested in these lashes, I have them linked in my Amazon storefront, and I'll have them linked in the description for you. Very natural, almost, it's tell me if I'm wrong, it's giving lash extensions, you know? Okay, you guys, freshly showered, and now I have to quickly brighten up my face a little bit because today is content day and we're on a roll. We already have a video, we just posted a vlog. Please go ahead and check that out. Now I'm just trying to find my spoolie so I can do my brows real quick. First, let's moisturize. I'm going to add a little The Ordinary hyaluronic acid to my skin just first because I don't know, the heat, I've been getting some really fine, really small, like heat rash, I think it is, I'm not sure. So I put this on first, and then tomorrow or tonight I'll exfoliate back to back for a couple of days, and that normally takes care of it. So yeah, hyaluronic acid on. Let me go ahead and moisturize these lips because it's looking quite homeless and hungry. We're just doing a light beat, light beat. You guys know how my everyday light beat makeup vibe, that is what I'm going for. No foundation, minimal concealer, a little brow, some blush. Always a vibe. I don't know, I'm trying to stick to my schedule, but if it doesn't go up tomorrow because it's going to be recorded tomorrow, more than likely it will be up on Thursday. We are nice and glowy and moisturized. You know, let me turn on my lights. Give you guys brighten it up a little bit. Where are these lamps? Prepare for the YouTube glow up, I promise you. As well, we are now gonna start working on, I was speaking to Melissa this morning, and she is saying that, you know, it's time for us to start working on the closet, you know, so we're gonna go look at paint. Of course, we're gonna paint it white, but you'd be surprised how many shades of white there is. But I think I'm just gonna do base white, like the whitest white you can possibly think of. The white that they use to mix to make other colors, that's the white I want to go for. So it shouldn't be very hard to find a nice bright white. She promised me that she was gonna paint the walls. So I'll come back when I'm done because I'm ranting and I need to hurry up, and if I keep talking to you guys, we're never gonna get done. I have no idea where my setting spray is. My Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter setting spray. No idea where it is. Which is unacceptable because it's so expensive. We did some bronzing with the Mocha Mami Fenty powder thing, little highlighter, and I did my brows, and I also put some of the just a bit of the Fenty, let's see if I can remember it, the Fenty Pro Filter setting pressed powder. I use that all over my face just to give me a little bit of coverage, and that's it. Okay guys, I just finished with recording short form content. This is the finished look. This outfit was inspired by a Pinterest photo. That's what we're doing this week for short form content. We're doing 31 days of Pinterest inspired outfits. So that's what we have so far. Let me try and show you my shoes as well. I think the outfit came out so nice. I really do like it. Super cute. I loved how it turned out. I've only ever worn this bag once, and I don't think I've ever photographed this bag before, so it's gonna be perfect for today's flicks. I'm feeling myself for sure, so every time I'm feeling myself, the photos always turn out really, really good. So I can't wait for you guys to see those. Make sure to go check me out on the gram if you're watching this video. If you are seeing this video, more than likely 2000% chance that the pictures are already posted on my Instagram, so go check that out. First time we actually came into a store and got exactly what we wanted and nothing else. So today is my father-in-law's birthday. No, today is his big 64th. morning. It is a new day. As you can see, the bedroom is a little cluttered today because we moved a bunch of things from the closet into the living room and the bedroom. We have things everywhere. Are you okay, baby?
Stuck on the nail.
Oh no. But let me show you why the house is looking like a tornado went through it. It's because I emptied it out last night because my lovely wife has decided to help me out and get rid of this ugly, icky, eggshell-y, creamy, yellowy color, whatever this is. Yeah, so we're getting rid of this today. We went to Home Depot yesterday and we got all the stuff that we needed. We got paint can, brushes, all that jazz. So yeah, just giving you guys a quick preview. I'm so excited! Before we get started, we are gonna make some breakfast. It's baby on the top, making us some coffee.
Right? Nope. Watch out.
If you ever come home. We started work in here. Basically, we went over all the baseboards and wiped it down because it was super dusty. We're hoping that it doesn't take the entire day. Let's go see the time. What time is it? It is now 11:39. So let's say we're gonna start at 12. I'm hoping that we can be done by 3. Oh yes! Babe, you did it. You did that. Looks really good. The entire apartment was just white, nice and crisp and clean and just beautiful. Saying that I was hoping that would be done by 3, I think is what I said, but it's now 1:55, so we have an hour and 5 minutes to spare, which means that we can break for lunch and then I can make some short form content. I want to do day 2 of my 31 days of Pinterest inspired outfits, so I have to record that. I'm gonna actually try and set up in here. The walls are now white. It's gonna be nice and crispy. Ah! Look at that! Ah, vibes.
Can you come over with the sheets? Oh, this is cute.
Good morning, it is a new day. I am dressed and ready to go on my good body walk. Just got back from a good body walk and I I forgot to charge my my Apple Watch last night. So this morning I had to use my Walkster app. It's this little app right there. So if you don't have an Apple Watch, or you don't have a way to track your steps, and you're trying to increase your steps daily, it saved my morning walks a couple of times right now. I actually have my Apple Watch charging, and I just also plugged in my AirPods just to ensure that they're good to go again throughout the day, because I didn't hit my goal for the, actually I did, you guys. Okay, so this is what the Walkster app looks like. Is my total steps. I'm not sure if you can see that. So my total steps for this morning was 5,973 steps, which is amazing. I wish I had hit that 6,000 mark just to even it out, because I have a thing about odd numbers. But yeah, 5,963 for my steps. Total calorie burn was 232 calories. I did a 2.49, basically 2.5 mile walk, and I was out there for about 45 minutes. Just honestly, it was a power walk, nothing extra, low impact. And that's how I've been increasing my steps per day. Okay, you guys, just finished filming for TikTok. Honestly, you guys, the best thing that I could have done to this room is to paint it white. I am not using any external lights at all. So far, what I've been shooting in this room has been coming out so clean, so crisp, so beautiful. And give me the vibe of our house in the Poconos, and we all know how much I love our house. But just wanted to come out here quickly and show you guys my outfit of the day. So cute, so clean. Okay, you guys, so I just made it to King's Plaza. Dropped Melissa off at work. So now we have about 2 hours to roam around and pick up a couple things from Sephora. I want to also pop into Zara just to see if I can get a white tank, because I realized that I have a new tank, I have black tank, but I don't have a white tank, and I feel like that is something that I need to have in my capsule wardrobe. I literally have no idea. Oh, did we go up?
Going up.
Is this the last level?
That's the last level.
All right, thank you.
All right.
I wish I didn't have this really long tripod. I don't know where the smaller one is. This one is not discreet in the slightest. And I don't know. I don't normally get camera shy and walking around in public when I'm vlogging. But for some reason, I am kind of feeling a little nervous today. I'm not even gonna lie. should we go into first? Alright, let's just go into Sephora. Why am I like this? I came in here and I met one of the ladies that work here in Sephora. Super nice. Her name is Andrea. We just literally had a 20-minute conversation talking about, you know, motivation and, you know, going past our mental limitations. Basically imposter syndrome. And I think we bonded. We followed each other on Instagram. That she's now my new Sephora girly. Whenever I come in here, I have to see Andrea. So I basically convinced her to create a TikTok. If this is something that you want, if this is the field that you want to be in, you want to be an influencer or a content creator, really put yourself out there. So I told her to try TikTok, as TikTok really gave me the confidence to do any of this. Show you these. I have to, and I leave you guys a better look. It's an XXL, but I love the fit, like on my thighs and how it falls to the ground. These were $119 and they're on sale for $12.99. Caught me with a buy one get the second one free in Express. Okay guys, that was way more successful than I thought it was going to be. Those pants, those trousers that I got from Zara, a steal. They were, I believe, 120, like 119 and change. And it was on sale for $12.99, but then they had a store-wide discount as well, so I ended up leaving with a pair of Zara trousers for $9.99. What? So Zara gonna take my money every time, and I love it. Okay guys, we are doing a quick little evening movie. After work movie. I can't get it to close. Thank you.
Dazzling images on a huge silver screen. Powerful. Because here they are. AMC theaters. We make movies better.
Hey, good morning, guys. Just finished shooting my day 4 to my 31 days of Pinterest inspired outfits. We're really on a roll and I love it. This was today's outfit. I'm gonna go edit so I can have it up. I'm just gonna post it so I can get it out of the way today. Editing this vlog. I wanna have it edited, uploaded, and scheduled to have it post Sunday morning. Anyways, let me go. I'll grab you guys back up when I head out because I am going to the tailor. I have this bag of, it's not much. I only have 3 trousers in here that need to get altered, and I'm only just taking in the waist on them because, you know, slim thick. I just finished editing my TikTok and I posted it, so it should be here shortly. She went over to her parents earlier to help them with the internet. So I'm waiting for her to come pick me up so we can go to the tailor, drop off my alterations, and I think she needs to go into the office, so I'm gonna go with her to do that, and I'm gonna edit in the car. I want to start editing this vlog. I keep saying that All right, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I keep. In bed editing this week's vlog. I'm almost done, but I realized I didn't end the vlog. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post a video. And until next time, bye.